Yes, good afternoon to the interested teachers. We welcome you for the online e-content course program on interactive e-content, creation of interactive e-content to be delivered by Mr. Simon Peter Paul, ICT awardee teacher. Uh, Today is going to handle the second session on e-content, creation of e-content. So I kindly request Simon Peter Paul to take up the presentation uh, and deliver his address.
Thank you, sir. I think I will wait for 2 more minutes, then I can start my session. Right now, I will present my screen. Good afternoon, all. Today, I think today is the 6th day. Today, we are going to see how to create interactive e-content. This is the second day for this course. Yesterday, we have learned how to create, how to log into H5P. And then yesterday, we have learned two interactive tools. The first one is arithmetic tool. And the second one is find the words, that is like crossword puzzle. As usual, to create a content, we must go into H5P and then click enter. And then click on this H5P, create and share rich HTML5 content. I'm clicking here. You will be getting like this screen. And then to create an account, click this create free account. And then here you can give your name. And then in the email address, type your email address. And then the password, you have to fill in the password. The password, yesterday I have told, it must be at least 6 characters. It must have one uppercase, one lowercase, and then some symbols, and then numerical value, some numericals. Again, I am repeating this password. Okay, it gets matched, and then I'm scrolling down, and then the captcha, the same question yesterday what I have seen. What is the opposite of black? 5-letter word, starts with W and ends with HIT. So opposite of black is white, and then click free account and create new account. Since I have made already account in this H5P platform, I'm clicking here this login button. I'm typing my ID, or else I can use my account, email account, and then I'm typing the password, and then I am logging in. Okay, good afternoon. I think everyone is in the session. Just ping me a message so that I can continue our next tool. Till now, I will tell you to create a content. We go on to try out H5P. We click here. Good afternoon all. And then yesterday we have seen here the search for content type is given. Yesterday we have created arithmetic quiz. So I'm typing this arithmetic quiz, and then I'm clicking here. and then we can create, and then you will be getting this type, this screen. Okay, thank you. I think my screen is visible. And then here arithmetic quiz. Yesterday I have given addition. Now I am giving subtraction. Then arithmetic quiz. I am selecting subtraction, and then I'm moving for the questions, and then I'm saving. And then you can play the game. Okay, to create another e-content, as usual, we are going here and clicking this my account. I have one information that you all should submit all the assignments. Yesterday I have given the Google form. Please fill in that Google form. The teachers who are submitting all the 10 assignments will be getting the e-certificate. So I request everyone to submit the assignments. Right now I'm logging out. I will start from first. I'm logging before that. So today we are going to create a content. How to create a memory game. This is called memory game. I'm matching. We are going to create games like this today. Right. I'm going to start now. The first step, Google, I typed H5P, and then I'm clicking this login. I'm typing my email address and then my password. Okay. So these are all the contents which we have created yesterday. So this, that will be available in the recent content. To create a new content, you must click this try out H5P. I'm clicking this try out H5P, and then I'm moving down, moving right. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to select this memory game. You can go directly and click this game, or else if you can type memory, MEM, and I'm clicking this memory game. Memory game is nothing but the cards which will be having some pictures. The topic I'm going to give animals. And then for our reference, so what is this game? It's memory game. So I'm typing memory game. In the title, I have typed animals and then hyphen, I have given memory game. Okay. And then when I'm scrolling down, you could see here cards. So these are all the cards in which we are going to add images. So this one is card 1 and this one is card 2. When I am selecting, you could see that gray color in the tab. See? Okay. Now I am selecting this card 1, and there is also an option. I can move this card up and card down, that I will teach you after some time. Here it is given card 1, and then here the first option is image. So whenever, remember that whenever this asterisk symbol, this star symbol is given, it is mandatory. Okay, here I have to add an image. To add an image, right now I don't have any image. As usual, we are going to Google. So I'm clicking this new tab. I'm clicking here, and then I'm typing for a lion PNG. So PNG is a format. Earlier in the earlier class, I have said PNG. It's a portable network graphic which has the plain background. It does not have any background, only the image will be available. So I'm typing for lion PNG, and then I'm clicking this images tab. I'm getting the lion image. I think I can go with this one. With this one. And then here, as usual, you can click the tools. I'm going for label for non-commercial reuse. I'm clicking this one. I'm getting some images which are copyright free, and it is labeled for non-commercial reuse. I think I'm okay with this lion. The second one, as we know, we should not right click and save as it is. You should left click this one and wait until it's get loaded. Then I'm right clicking this lion and then selecting the option save images. Okay, I'm clicking the save images. So it is showing here this PC download. I think it will not be visible. These fonts are very small. I can't zoom this one. What I am deciding is I want to save everything in my desktop, but it is not advisable to save in the desktop because whatever we save in the desktop, if the system gets corrupted, the file will be gone. So it's better to save in your E or C, D, so not in the C, D, E, F drive. For this teaching purpose, I'm going to save this one in the desktop. I'm clicking this desktop icon and then I'm right clicking here and then selecting new and folder. There is also another option next to organize. New folder option is here. You can simply click here and create a new folder. I'm clicking new folder and then I'm giving heading animals. Okay, again I'm opening this folder and then the lion png is given here. I am typing lion and then I am saving. Something. Okay, it gets automatically saved. I'm showing my desktop. See, yeah, here is the folder animals. I'm opening this. I could see the lion, right? Okay, let me do it again. Here I need card, the card one. I want to add an image. To add an image, right now I don't have any image, so I'm going into Google and then I type lion png and then to the tools, click the tool icon, tool button, and then I went to the third option. I selected label for non-commercial reuse, and then I left click this lion and I click this image. I right this one. I already so I'm not going to save this one. I'm clicking cancel. Clicking this add button, this plus icon. I'm clicking here. In this button, you can click here. I'm left clicking this one, and this picture I have the animals. I'm opening this animal folder, and I'm selecting this line. Then clicking here this button. I'm clicking here until it gets loaded. Okay. Here they have got alternative text for image. No screen. Am I audible? Just ping me a message so that I can share my screen again. I can stop sharing. Okay, let me stop sharing. Okay, let me do one thing. I will stop my video. Is it visible? Whether my screen is visible now? Let me on this Triumph H5P. Okay, I will do one thing. I don't know, something has happened. I will share my screen again. Whether my screen is visible now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Here I am clicking Tryout H5P. Okay, here I'm typing for memory game. I'm clicking this one, and then the title I'm adding animals. For my reference, I'm adding this memory game title, this tool name, and then for the code, I'm clicking this add button. I'm selecting this lion. Okay, it gets loaded. Okay, thank you, thank you. Please message me whenever if there is any interruption in between the voice or in the screen presentation. Now I have added this lion, and then here, suppose if I have added this lion wrongly, see here there is one into symbol. If I click this one, it removes the file, so that I can some other image. Let me show it again. Suppose instead of lion, I have added some other image. So if I don't want this image, there is a small into button. I click this one. It asks for remove file. I click confirm. It removes. See here again the add button. I'm clicking this add button. I'm uploading this. Wait, it gets uploaded. It's getting uploading. It's getting uploaded. Okay. Okay, in the alternative text for image, I'm typing lion. So this one is lion, and then I'm reducing its size. I'm moving down. I have added one image and then lion, right? And then to add another image, click on the next chord. To add another chord, I'm clicking this chord too. See here, it gets automatically changed, renamed as lion, the first chord. Now the second chord. For the second chord, I'm going to add a tiger. So again, I'm going here and then I'm typing tiger, PNG. And then I have got some tigers. I'm clicking this tiger, right? And then I'm right clicking this one and I'm saving this again in that file. I'm not renaming that. Okay. Again, I'm going to the H5P, then selecting the chord 2, and then I want to add the image tiger. So I'm clicking this add button, and then I'm selecting this tiger. It is in black so that we can change some other color. Okay, I have added this tiger and then alternative text for image. I typed tiger. Again, I want to add one more card here. To add one more card, here the plus symbol plus add card. This one is given. Again, I click this add card. See, I am getting one more card. Here to add another image, I am going to add an elephant. Again, I am moving here, typing elephant. Why I am repeating is because I am repeating each and every step because for proper understanding. Here I am selecting this elephant PNG.
Simon, I think we
Yes,
can
sir.
proceed because it is also uploaded in YouTube channel. If anyone has a doubt, they
Okay, sir.
can go back and then see. Huh?
Okay, sir. And then I am clicking the save images. No need to modify the tool, sir. It is mentioned here label for non-commercial use. No need to modify. I'm right clicking this one. Again, I'm saving this elephant in that folder. I'm clicking save button. Okay. I'm moving to this H5P and I'm clicking this add button. I'm selecting this elephant and then I'm clicking the open button. So it's getting uploaded. I'm giving the alternative text. It's get loaded. I have finished. Suppose if I want to move the card, I can move like this. Suppose if I added some other card, I can add as much as I can. I want to delete these cards 4 and 5 and 6. Here the into button is given. It's remove item. I'm removing it. Removing it. Again, I'm removing this one. Now I'm going to have 6 cards because when I'm creating one tiger, automatically the system generates one more tiger card. So you no need of to create. Okay. Now I'm moving down. Moving down, this one you will learn after some time. There is also another option, matching image, that I will tell you after some time. I'm moving down, moving down, moving down. Here the save option is given here. I'm clicking this save. Scrolling down. Okay, let me resize it. And now I have got this 6 cards. I'm opening. Oh, lion and lion, tiger, tiger. Like this, you can check. Here it is mentioned time spent, how many turns I have done, getting the command good job. If I want to try again, here the option reset. I'm clicking this one. Again, I can play this game. I think till now you are clear. Okay, now here I am not satisfied with this background. Wait, here I want to add some more features to the background. This background, this question mark, I don't like this. I want to change this color. So to change the color, again, what we should do? We should go for the edit option, which is near view. I am clicking this edit option. I have got this tiger, elephant, and lion. I am moving down. Here there is an option, look and feel. I am clicking this one. Here they have given some theme color. I can change the theme color. If I give red, let's see what has happened. Moving down. The theme will be in red. I'm not satisfied with this. I want to add some more background in that. I want to add some more background in that. some image or some texture, I can do that also. Again, I am moving to upward and I am clicking this edit option. I am clicking this edit option. It gets loaded. Yeah, I am moving down, and then I'm clicking this. I'm changing this one to white theme color because I'm going to add an image. Caught back, there is an option. The plus symbol is given here. I'm clicking this add. Before that, I need a back image. No, okay. I'm moving here. I'm typing for Dora. Don't have any Dora. Okay, cartoon. I think I'm okay with this one. It's from Flickr. As usual, I'm saving this one. Okay. Here, see in the animal folder, there are no picture files because that picture files are in the format PNG. Here, this one is JPEG. That files are there. No need to panic about that. Again, I'm going here. I'm clicking this add. See here, all the images. These three images are in the PNG format, and this one is JPEG format. I'm clicking this Dora. I'm clicking open. It's getting uploaded. It's loaded. I'm clicking save here. So here I have got three images. I have got the 6 quads. Now I'm checking. I need some background. Let me change this one. It's not looking good. Again, to change this one, I'm clicking the edit option. The look fill option is given here. And then I'm removing this one. I am going to add some Dora with white background. Let me add this one. I'm saving. Now I have got the Doras. Now I am getting this image. Suppose if I am adding, here I am having some transparency here since it's a PNG image. Now I am changing this one into general image. Lion, white background. Change this one. I don't know what happened in that. Again, I am going to edit. I'm removing this one. I'm adding this lion here. Then I'm checking this. Okay, now I have turned. Now what I am planning is, whenever I am turning this card, when I am turning this card, it must tell tiger. If I am turning this card, okay, it gets matched. If I am turning this card, whenever I am turning this card, the computer should say it's an elephant, it's a lion, like that. So to add, you can also add some voice in that. Okay, let me do this. And to change modification, for modification, click this edit. Okay, I went into this. I have gone to this edit mode. Here, the first code is given tiger. In the tiger, the image is given. I'm scrolling down, scrolling down. Alternative text for image, I have given tiger. Here, there is an option audio track. Audio track means that we can add audio in that. Here, the plus icon is given here. It may not be visible. It might not be visible when you are seeing during the live streaming. Here there is a plus icon. I can add audio to that. I'm clicking this plus symbol. Here there are three options. First one is file upload. Yes, we can't fit the image to the wall. File upload, link URL, audio recorder. There are three options given here. The first one is file upload. The file upload is nothing but when we are having some audio file, we can click this one and then go and find the audio files you are having. It might be MP3 or WME in the format. Right now I don't have any audio sound. Now what I'm planning to do is, here this one is link URL. So whenever we are clicking, it will goes through some other source. And then the next, there is an option audio recorder. I'm clicking this audio recorder. I can record from here. Okay, I will record. I can record my own voice. I'm clicking this record button. Allow your microphone. I'm pressing allow. Tiger. Okay, if I want to check this one, I can play this one. So it gets time, so I don't want this one. I'm resetting it. I'm moving up. It says confirm. I'm recording again. Maybe the audio might not be audible to you. I'm clicking this and I'm saying, okay, let me do one thing. Let me record. Tiger. Here the option insert is given. I'm clicking this insert. I have added. Likewise, I'm doing for elephant also. I'm moving down. I'm selecting this audio track. I'm clicking this button. As usual, I'm moving here to the audio recorder. I'm clicking this. Which one? Elephant. Elephant. I'm inserting. It's getting uploaded. So you can edit image. If you want to adjust, you can crop. As you wish. If you want to edit, you can rotate. You can crop. If you want, oops. Okay, I will do in this way so that it gets filled into the card. So this one is the card size. You can fill in according to your card size. You can do like this. Okay, next I have added elephant, and again I am going to lion. I'm adding my audio, and under the heading audio track, I'm clicking this plus button, moving on to audio recorder, clicking this record button. Oh, sorry, it started. I will reset it. To reset, click this reset button, and then I'm confirming. Okay, I'm going to record. What is that? Lion. Lion. I will play this one. Why I'm doing some short recording here? Because whenever I'm turning the chord, the voice should come immediately. So while recording, tell immediately. Okay, I'm inserting now. And then I am moving down. I'm clicking the save button. Hope now you could able to hear this sound also now. See, the 6 chords are here. Elephant, lion, elephant, lion. I think, is it audible now? The voice is audible? That the computer audio is audible? Computer sound is audible? Please tell. Elephant, lion. Please ping me a message that the audio which I have recorded. Lion, elephant, lion, 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 elephant, elephant. Like that, you can add voice to this memory game chords. Okay. Again, I'm going for the edit. Here, what I have done is I have made unfortunately, what I have done here is I have added everything in the PNG format. Here, the chords are in the square shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm searching for the tiger. I'm going to get some images. Let me. Okay, tiger. What happened? Here I am searching tiger with white background. Okay, I think this one will suit there. I'm saving this image, and then I'm going here. I am resetting this tiger, and then I'm adding this tiger, which this one. I think it fixes automatically. Now let's see. I'm moving down, clicking the save option. Now see. Like this, you can add the images, so the background will not be visible. Okay, I will search. Okay, here. So if I want to fix that one, this one to be completely, then I can do edit option. I can change. Now I will add lion also. So This one is from Shutterstock. Okay. It's not getting it. I'm going here. Okay, tiger I have added. Lion I'm changing. Adding another lion which is in JPEG format. And then for lion, I am removing this lion. I'm adding the lion, this one in JPEG. Now let's see. To change, see here, the dimension is different here. So I can change the dimension by doing edit here. I'm clicking this edit option. Wait, let it gets downloaded. Just loaded. Okay, it gets loaded. I'm going for the line is okay. I'm editing this image. I'm going to crop. Oh, sorry. Click. So this is the position of the card. So I'm clicking save. Now see the line, sorry, the elephant gets filled there. Okay, see here. See, the lion gets, sorry, the elephant gets filled automatically in that card. So it's up to you to decide what type of images which has the dimension of the images is important here in the card. Now I can change this Dora into that color. Again, to edit, as usual, to change the background, here move down, there is an option look and feel, click this one, and I'm changing this Dora, I'm adding that Dora image. Now I'm saving this one. Oops. Elephant, tiger, elephant, elephant, tiger, tiger. Okay, like that you can add. Okay, I think till now are you clear? If you want, I could repeat it again. If you said it's okay, if it is okay, ping me a message yes. If you want to repeat, then tell so that I can repeat. Please ping me a message. Okay, I think everyone is clear till now. If anyone is having doubt, so that I can recap again. And then the one more thing is that tomorrow we are not having class. A day after tomorrow, Sunday, we are having class. Please remember that. Tomorrow we are not having class. Day after tomorrow, that is Sunday, we are having class. So tomorrow we are not having. Please remember that. Okay, thank you, thank you. No need to repeat. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think till now you are all clear. Okay, now again I am going to create. Today we are going to learn one more tool. Go to create my account. Sorry, my account. To create another tool to create a content. Try out H5P. Here the next tool. This one is very simple tool. Like Yeah, that you will learn. You will learn. You will learn. You will learn. Okay, here there are some options. Okay, let me show it. I'm going to my account. I'm editing this one. Here we are having some icons. We are having some questions about the icons. It's very simple. I'm moving down. This one is nothing but the matching image. Suppose if I'm adding a bat, I can add a ball here. If I am not adding, this tiger itself automatically gets generated into another card. For example, I'm adding one more image for matching image for this tiger. I'm adding one image. For example, for this tiger, I'm adding this. For example, I'm adding this tiger. Okay, I'm moving down. I'm saving this one. Again, there is some issue with the net. Okay, see here. See that tiger automatically comes. See this tiger and see this tiger. Like that, you can create matching image. So that is the additional thing. Yeah, you can add. It's depending upon. Okay, I am clicking this edit. It's depending upon the teachers to decide what type of matching images they are going to use. I am removing here. Okay, I am moving down here. There are some options. The first one, yes, a tiger color. Behavioral settings. You can change the position of the square, and then here add button for retrying, and then here text override. This one is memory game. Here you can change the color. Like this, everything will be having those things, settings and all you can explore on your own. Now we are going to try out one more tool. We are explore the tool. We are going to explore the tool. Drag the words. We are going to explore the tool. Drag the words. Here, I'm going to give a title, whether I'm having some. Okay, I'm giving a title about Puducherry. For our remembrance, I'm typing drag the words. Here, so here it is mentioned here. Wait, let me zoom as much as I can. Here, this one is nothing but dragging the words, dragging the word and dropping it into the box. Here it is given like this. I'm pasting here the paragraph. Puducherry is a union territory of India. For example, I want this word to be dragged and dropped. I have to put asterisk symbol at both the end. Okay, Puducherry is a union territory of India rather than a state, which implies the governance and administration. Here I am putting for administration. This one is for example. Remove this one. Okay. Here I am putting asterisk symbol for Delhi. Now I have three items. One is for Puducherry, another one is administration, another one is Delhi. And here I am changing for the amendment. Okay. Till now I have completed. See here. I have put 4 asterisk symbol for Puducherry, administration, and then Delhi, and then for amendment. Okay, I have completed the drag and drop questions, and then I am moving down. Here you can add score. This you will learn after some time, maybe in the third day. I am moving down, and there is an option save. I am clicking this save. See here I have got 4 boxes. You have to drag and drop this one. Suppose I am posting correctly Puducherry. Okay, I am checking. So everything is correct. If I want to try again, I can click this reload button. I am moving down. Suppose if I am okay, now I'm checking. See here, you can also check check the solution, and you can also retry since we have done mistake here. Again, we can try as much as we can. So you can teach articles, you can teach proportions. It's depending upon the teacher's perspective, teacher's creativity. Okay, let me do it again. I'm going to my account. I'm clicking this tryout H5P. Here, since I have used here the drag the words is given here. I'm clicking this drag the words, and then I'm giving a title. Okay, Puducherry drag the words. Here, the formula is nothing. If a word is given, you have to put asterisk in front and also at the end. So that becomes okay. Here I will paste. Suppose if you want to add two words in a box, so you can simply put for union territory. I'm giving you one example here for before union and also and after territory. So this becomes a box. Let me give for state Jammu, okay, and Kashmir. I'm moving down. For example, I can add range for 0 to 50. I can give the feedback. Good. And then 51 to very good. I'm moving down. Let me check here. See here, it comes automatically. You can give space and add. Okay, I'm changing. I'm checking. See, I'm getting the thing. I'm getting the thing good because I have got less than 50%. So I can retry again. Now check here. I am getting the appreciation very good. Okay. Again, I am going to edit. If I don't want to show the solution, I can move down here the behavioral setting. I can enable e-try. I can give instant feedback. I can disable show solution button. Okay. Until now, are you clear? Just ping me a message. Am I audible? Just ping me a message so that I can. Okay. Those who are having any doubts, I'm going to conclude
Yes,
the
sir.
session today. If you are having any doubts, you can send it through WhatsApp. Okay, today's assignment is you create two content. The one is memory game, and then the second one is find the words. Sorry, drag the words. Sunday, you are going to see on a very interesting tool. Those who are having doubts, you can post it in the group. And then the thing is, please don't forget to submit all your assignments. The teachers who are all submitting all the 10 assignments will be getting the e-certificate. How to upload the text in the particular tab? How to upload the text? Which tab? I'm not understanding your question. How to upload the text in that particular tab? Okay, in drag the words, ma'am. Sunita Chandrika, ma'am. How to upload the text in the particular tab you have asked? In drag the words. Okay, I'm opening here. I'm editing this one. Can we set up time schedule? No, that cannot be done in this. You can also do in Tamil. Wait, let me show. You can do it in Tamil language also. Puducherry. Let me check. Okay, here it is in Tamil. Puducherry. Okay, here I'm copying this Tamil. Instead of this, I'm pasting here the Tamil. I can put asterisk. Sorry, I have forgot this one. And then Inekapadada. I have given 4. Here, if I want to type in Tamil, I can copy Puducherry. I can paste here. Say it's in Tamil. Here also you can give the instruction in Tamil. I don't know how to type, but I'm moving down. Nandri. Okay, I can type here. I'm saving here. See. See, it's in Tamil. புதுச்சேரி ஒன்றிய பகுதி ஒன்றுடன் ஒன்று இணைக்கப்படாத 4 மாவட்டங்களை கொண்டது புதுச்சேரி காரைக்கால். I'm checking. So if you want this one very good to be in your own language, you can change. How to upload the text in particular tab? Which tab, ma'am? Really, I couldn't understand your question. How to upload the text in that particular tab? Really, I'm not. Which tab you are asking here? The questions you have to put 2 asterisks, ma'am, for the words. Before and after the word, you have to put 2 asterisks. To upload the text in the particular doubt clarified. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Nandru. Okay, I will type Google Tamil. Okay, any other questions? Google Tamil typing. Okay, thank you. Any other doubts? Yes, someone is typing. Nandru. I'm copying this one. Nandru. I'm copying this one. I'm going here and I'm pasting here. Moving down and clicking saved. Okay, please do remember that tomorrow we are not having class. We are having class on Sunday at 2 p.m. And then the today's assignment is create any content on the tool. Use on the tool, drag the words and a memory game. And then one more information, George sir has informed me to tell you that. Sir, are you there?
Yes, Simon.
Okay, sir, you can inform, sir.
Regarding Simon, what information? You can just pass it on.
So you have told that that brochure, sir, regarding the brochure you asked.
Okay.
Brochure சொன்னீங்கல அத
Yes. Okay. I think Simon has made a very good presentation once again on interactive e-content program. I thank Simon on behalf of Directorate of School Education.
Thank you.
And we are planning to have a brochure for COVID-19 status. What are the initiatives taken by Directorate of School Education? We are planning to have a brochure. If anyone can form a template, interested can form a template and post it in our group. What initiatives we have done, what are the webinars we have conducted, a brochure can be developed, a template you can send, not in a detailed one, a template. Then anyone is interested can come to our office and then we can work out on it. Really, those who are interested. Okay, then if you see our online session, some of them might have missed the first portion of the session or second portion of the session. You can download in our YouTube channel of Directorate of School Education. We have a separate YouTube channel for Education Department. You can go to YouTube channel and then type Education Department Puducherry. We will have that line symbol will come with the Government of Puducherry, so you can click that link. If you find it very difficult, then you can go to our Directorate of School Education website. There itself we have given the YouTube link. You can click the YouTube link and then you can go and visit our YouTube channel. Not only our these webinars, we have also uploaded the classes of class 10 subject wise we have uploaded. Then we have uploaded Science Corner materials. You can utilize those materials from our YouTube channel. And I would like to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I thank all the participants for participating in this webinar. As Simon told, tomorrow will be a break. We have Simon is continuously handling a session for past 1 week. We will give a break and then we will continue on Sunday. So I request the participant to come on Sunday. Then one more information, as you all aware that there will be a webinar on child-centered intervention, successful child-centered intervention, to be delivered by Mr. Vijayan IPS from Kerala. He is presently IG of Kerala, so he will be giving an elaborate presentation today evening 4:30. I would like all the participants to participate in the webinar and get benefited from the session. He has given his valuable time to come over to us, and then he is delivering this session. I once again thank one and all for participating in this session.
Sir, one more information. Sir, one more information that you have told. Create a browser all about coronavirus.
Coronavirus?
You told that we need to create some brochures, no?
Yeah, I told that brochures you can create. Those who are really interested, we can create brochures because you have learned how to create posters, how to create e-certificates, and then you have learned how to create brochures also. So anyone is really interested can come over online, or you can come in person to department and then help us in creating the poster. Your creativity, we welcome your creativity. Then we will, if those who are not able to participate, some might be in Mahe, Karekal, or Yanam, or some might be in may not come to the department also. They can participate through our creation of e-content group. We have a WhatsApp group. We can post your brochures there. I thank Simon for helping us in this regard. Thank you, Simon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for all
My
of
pleasure.
us.